Birds are some of the most beautiful and fascinating creatures on planet Earth. Not only are they loved by people because of their colorful bodies, but also for their ability to sing pleasant songs. Birds are found in various colors, but white-colored birds are a special kind of beauty. These birds are very rare, sometimes one in millions. They can be found all over the world and can survive in different habitats. In many parts of the world, they are hunted for their scarcity and beautiful fur. Want to know more about these attractive creatures? Then stay with us. The leucistic white peacock is an elegant bird with uniquely shaped feathers. This bird parades its extravagant feathers and beauty. The white-colored body of this peacock adds to its beauty. They are called the leucistic white peacock because they lost their color with a genetic mutation called leucism. But this peacock retained its blue eye color. Juveniles are yellow with white wings, but after maturity, they are completely white. A single spot marks each tail feather of this peacock. It attracts peahen by displaying its attractive white feathers. Snow bunting are stunning birds that are also called snowflakes. These birds breed in Iceland, Russia, Scotland, Alaska, Greenland, and North America. They are diurnal and social birds. This beautiful bird enjoys bathing in snow and copes with warmer temperatures by burrowing deep in the ground. Its population is declining, possibly due to pesticides sprayed on fields, since the snow bunting feeds on plants. Juveniles are protected by both male and female birds. These magnificent birds migrate in groups or flocks. The adult birds are dominant over juveniles, and males are dominant over females. Snowy egret is an attractive bird with a slender, long bill and long, thin legs. They have a small head, yellow feet, and a long neck. These pretty birds feed on fish and small aquatic animals. Their habitat includes beaches, mudflats, wetlands, and the edges of lakes and rivers. Because of its amazing beauty, women used its plumage for decorating their hats. They feed on crustaceans, reptiles, fish, insects, frogs, snails, and worms. Juveniles leave their nest just 22 days after they are born. Juvenile birds have greenish legs. The white-tailed kite is a pleasing medium-sized bird. It has a long tail with narrow pointed wings and a long skinny body. They have red eyes and a white tail and head. These delightful birds gather in communal roosts during the non-breeding season. The white-tailed kite favors savannas, open woodlands, marshes, grasslands, and cultivated fields. Its wingspan is up to 110 centimeters, they weigh up to 360 grams, and they are about 36 centimeters long. They hunt small mammals while hovering in open areas. These heavenly birds became almost extinct in the 1930s and 1940s due to egg collection and shooting. The white tern is a stunning bird. It is a delicate and elegant seabird. They have gray necks, a black mark on the eye, a brownish-gray back, and white plumage. These birds have a lifespan of 16 to 18 years and a wingspan of up to 87 centimeters and weigh up to 139 grams. They can also be up to 33 centimeters long. The white tern is found in Bangladesh, Australia, Chile, Colombia, Brazil, Costa Rica, and India. These magnificent birds are more active at dusk and dawn. Red-vented cockatoo is an elegant bird native to the Philippines. It has a pale yellow underwing, a white and red undertail, and a yellowish undertail. These birds are endangered because of illegal trapping. They make whistling and screeching noises and bleating calls. The red-vented cockatoo is social and flies in noisy groups. Its wingspan is 8 inches, it's 12 inches long, and weighs 100 grams. These attractive birds live apart from their flocks during the mating season from March to July. The diet of this bird includes rice, crops, corn, fruit, and flowers. It is a gorgeous, light-colored bird with a long beak and legs. They have brown heads and backs, white underbellies, and black beaks and legs. They weigh an ounce or two and are about 8 inches long. These stunning birds spend their winters on lakesides, beaches, estuaries, mudflats, and tide pools. This bird feeds on omnivores, flies, worms, crabs, nuts, and shoots. The sanderling is a wild bird and does not make a good pet. They are sometimes also kept in zoos. These graceful birds are usually found in flocks because of their social nature. The ivory gull is a pleasing bird that is found in the Arctic region. It has black legs, a blue bill with a yellow tip, and a white body. Juveniles are white with black spots on their bodies. The diet of this bird includes rodents, crustaceans, fish, carrion, and bird chicks and eggs. Females lay 1 to 3 olive-colored or brown eggs. The population trend of the ivory gull is difficult to study because they are spread across multiple countries. The predators of this bird include the Arctic fox and polar bears. These heavenly birds weigh about 600 grams. The red-tailed tropic bird is a gorgeous seabird that is found in the tropical parts of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It has a black mask, white plumage, a red bill, and dark brown iris. The red-tailed tropic bird eats fish, mainly squid and flying fish. They nest on ocean islands in loose colonies. These lovely birds lay a single egg that is incubated for about 6 weeks by both the male and female birds. Their wingspan is up to 119 centimeters, and they are around 104 centimeters in length. This graceful bird walks on land with difficulty, but is a strong flyer. Top of our list is the snowy owl, a lovely bird that is found in the Western Aleutians, North Labrador, and in Canada. Their heavy wings make them warm, increase their weight, and make them the heaviest owls in the world. They eat rodents and hares and can eat up to 5 rodents at a time. Unlike other owls, snowy owls are not nocturnal. Instead, they hunt during the day. These attractive owls are also known as great white owls or Arctic owls. This owl has sharp eyesight and can catch small birds in the air. They can become aggressive when defending their territory.